have with us Mr. Sarfaraz, if I have it right, to talk to us about what exactly Mr. Sarfaraz Ahmed, the CFO at the company, is joining us to talk to us about this order win and what else is happening in the company. Hi, sir. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us. A large order win because your market capitalization is what, 3,000 odd crores versus this order which is 900 crores. And I think the last time your order book was around 3,800 crores. Talk to me about what the order book stands at right now. What kind of margins are you expecting on this one? When will the execution start?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are regularly, our bidding process is regular, and we have also win earlier projects in the MP, and likely we are going to win the other projects in UP also. And now we have win the project in Uttarakhand, rupees 898.7 crores, and the same pace company is going on the same pace.
Sure. But Mr. Sarfaraz, when you say that there are other orders that you're likely to win as well, talk to me about the pipeline. What does the order book pipeline look like?
See, ma'am, the order pipeline is under 5,000 to 7,000 crores. We are already, this is the regular process of bidding actually.
Okay, 5,000 to 7,000 crores, that's what you're saying, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, how many big orders are you aiming at bidding for? Do you have visibility? You work with the government so closely, I'm sure, across states. Which are the states which are very aggressively calling out for large orders and you're aiming at them?
As of now, government focus is on infrastructure industry, and almost all states we are working, they are focusing on the new projects like Rajasthan, UP, Uttarakhand, MP, as well as Northeast.
Sir, you have managed to double your top line from FY21 to FY23. Going forward, do you expect this kind of pace to continue? Can you double from here on as well in a couple of years?
If we look historic, our CAGR was 46.8%, and year-on-year growth was 55%. And in FY24, on a half-yearly basis, we have achieved 49% growth. So it seems that we can achieve.
Okay, fair enough. And give us a sense as to what the outlook is in terms of your geographical presence, because Rajasthan constitutes the largest share in your order book. If I understand, it's at 62%. How much do you see that growing? And will you diversify and expand to other regions? Can you walk us through what the rest of the order book comprises?
Yes, we are working in 10 states and 1 union territory. And we are getting orders in other states also. And as of 30th September, our order book position is in Rajasthan is 51%, UP 15%, MP 15%, and rest in other states. So we are diversifying our order book also.
Okay, you're diversifying your order book. You're talking about how the revenue growth is going to be strong, but you're also expanding your margins. From sub 10% that it was there in 2021, you're now close to 14%. Going forward, what will be the margin profile? And also, are you looking to diversify it into the private orders as well? Because right now you're concentrated towards government orders.
We are focusing, ma'am, on government orders only, EPC based orders, not on private orders. And our margin will be sustained on the same ratio.
15% is the sustainable margin that you're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Point taken. These were largely the questions I had for you. But just, Mr. Sarfaraz, the last word, with the elections coming, next year, do you expect some sort of maybe, a disruption in your execution or order inflows? Do you think they can slow down next year?
We are working in this industry from last 36 years, and we have faced almost 7 to 8 cycles like elections. Yes, there is a slight delay in the payments and execution also, but we are familiar with this situation and we can manage the same.
Okay, yes, and you've been managing it well, Mr. Sarfaraz. On that note, we'll let you go. Appreciate you making time and speaking with us. So that's the latest coming in from the management. The